Kaya hindi ko mag-download ang Roblox. But I need to upgrade it.
Oh, upgrade mo eh. Why?
Because I cannot upgrade it.
You ask your mama.
No, Mama cannot do it.
Why?
Yeah.
You ask Ate Bella.
Well, and he cannot do it too.
It's okay. Don't worry about that.
But I just got a snack.
What snack?
It's clean.
Green?
Yeah, and it have white and it have brown and another brown.
Snack?
Yeah,
Where did you get it?
from in the car wash.
Ah, for what? Who gave you?
Ate
Bella?
Ate Bella.
Ah.
Paano niya ko?
Hikain mo yun.
No,
Why?
because I was not hungry.
Are you hungry? Brown?
Brown. It's dark brown.
I think it's bacon.
No,
What is it?
it was so very flat. It was not like this and it had brown inside.
Do you know what? Where's Mavi?
He's sleeping.
I'm sleeping. Ikaw, wala ka pa nag-tip?
Wala. Naplay ko na sa kay Sky.
Play ko this time.
Sa nihas niya ko.
Okay. Ano wala mo?
Egg.
Egg? Scrambled egg?
Last time ano?
You like egg?
Yeah. Telepon?
You like chicken too?
I can eat. Yeah.
You want to eat?
No.
No?